My question is, how do I attain khushu in my daily prayers?
Do you believe that Allah is one?
Yes.
Right? Do you believe that Islam is the true religion?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe the Holy Prophet ﷺ is the last of the prophets? Khatmun Nabiyyin?
Yes.
Right? Do you believe that Masih Maud Islam is the person who was to come in the later days for the revival of Islam?
Yes, I do.
Yes. Do you believe in the system of Khilafat?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe that Allah Ta'ala has given so many commandments in the Holy Quran and the injunction? There are so quite a number of do's and don'ts in the Holy Quran, and we should practice on it. Allah Ta'ala has given us clear-cut teaching, right?
Yes.
Do you believe that whatever you are getting is from Allah?
Yes.
He's Rabbul Alameen.
Yes.
He's the provider and sustainer of everything,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
And He has given you the fertile brain to think over these things and try to gain the love of Allah Ta'ala, right? And this is your desire, that you should gain the love of Allah Ta'ala. If you count all these things and see the blessing of Allah Ta'ala on you, then definitely you will be grateful to Allah Ta'ala. When you are grateful to Allah Ta'ala, when you thank Allah Ta'ala and you praise Him that Allah Ta'ala has bestowed quite a number of things on you for your benefit, then your emotions will come out, and that will make you think over the existence of Allah Ta'ala and His blessings on you, and that will make you more humble. When these type of emotions come, then definitely you will cry. You will seek Allah's help, that Allah Ta'ala increase these emotions more than before. So that is called khushu, right? So if you count all these blessings which Allah Ta'ala has bestowed upon you, that can make you to understand the concept of khushu and the closeness of Allah Ta'ala.